AvPro is proud to present this PHENOM 300, serial number 45. Experience unparalleled luxury and performance with the PHENOM 300, one of the world's best-selling light jets. Designed for those who demand the finest in air travel, the PHENOM 300 combines exceptional speed, range, and comfort, making it the ultimate choice for both business and leisure. Its spacious cabin, featuring elegant interiors and state-of-the-art technology, ensures a smooth and sophisticated journey every time. Serial number 45 offers a 7-passenger configuration with a belted lav for an 8th passenger. The seating arrangement includes a single aft-facing chair, followed by a 4-place club and 2 forward-facing chairs. The seats feature gray leather with quilted inserts, and the cabinetry is finished in natural wood high-gloss veneer. Cockpit highlights include the Garmin G1000 Prodigy Avionics suite. With outstanding operational efficiency and cutting-edge avionics, the PHENOM 300 sets the benchmark for excellence in private aviation, offering you the freedom to fly on your terms with unmatched style and convenience. The PHENOM 300, serial number 45, presented exclusively by AvPro. AvPro, celebrating 30 years of excellence.